Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how I did my LED hazard switch to not blink like fast. I'm gonna show you real quick. I got a couple versions right here. Uh, this one like with this kind of relay inside. This one is like electronic or I don't know, some kind of different relay. You also can see the bulbs different from inside. See, it's different, both different design. Look at this one. I kind of like this one. It's like the one I was able to mess with it. This is the one I got done. So we're gonna test that out real quick. Okay, here we go. I had the original one marked as an OG. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. OG. Anyways, you can see the letters right there, right here. Now, this is the one I did. Let me see if I can pinpoint. But look, you see my all my bunch of resistors, and then I put 5 of them. Notice where the yellow mark start, like, see the yellow kind of like, and where I solder it. If I flip this way, you can see which ones what way is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So look, I'm gonna flip it this way. You see where I solder those resistors, right in the corner of those 2 little things. That's where it working for me. So that means, say, let me see the OG one. I'm gonna open it up. You can open it up like this. Hold on, let me zoom it out. I'm gonna open it up like this. Let me see if I can put the light in there. Too much. Hold on, let me turn this off then. You can see which way, same way I got them. Hold on. Same way. Let me see if I can pinpoint where I solder that thing. I think it's this one. It's a little bit different, but there's the 2 connectors in there. There is. There. So this is the OG. So we're gonna put the OG back in there. That's it. That's how it works. And this is the one I did. So hopefully this is not a long video. So we're gonna do it like this. There you go. So we got the 2 right here. Let's test them out. First of all, I'm gonna show you guys that I'm doing this because all my car has LEDs everywhere, like all the way around. Let me see if I can like. Okay, LEDs. So this right here are LEDs right here inside. Let me see if I can like show you guys some. Like, let me see. Okay. I cannot turn signal because we're doing that little experiment right here. So let me plug the hazard. You will see. I'm gonna plug the OG My bad. That was not the OG. This is the OG. That's the original one. Look how fast it turns. Now we're gonna put the one with the resistors on it. That's the one with the resistors. You can see the difference. At least it's not that fast. I mean, anyways, has LEDs. Look, you can see. So I'm happy with that flash. It's not that fast like the other one. Let me see if I can like put this camera here. Sorry guys that I move you guys back and forth. There you go. Let me see if we can put the other one. Now look. It's like pretty fast. When we put the, it kind of slowed down, so I'm gonna leave this here. So that's it. Just want to show you guys that. Okay guys, this is the regular lights. I got LEDs, like I said, got LEDs all the way around. You can see even on my license plate. Put the hazards on it. There you go. Turn it off. Press the brake. There you go. I'm gonna show you guys right here a little bit, a real quick something. Turn it off. Okay, check this out. You see my stop? It's got like the sides are on, in this side and the other side. Can you hit the brakes? Release. You see? It stays on. Do it again, real quick. Release. You see, it stays on. So what I did to fix that, it was add a resistor. A resistor right here. There's a resistor to ground from power to the brake lights to ground. So I'm just gonna put them right here on ground, and you will see that light, it won't be there anymore. See, it disappeared. Hit the brakes. Release. Good. So I just added a resistor to a to ground, from power brake to ground. So that's good. Put them down there. I got my equipment, so we good. That being said, so now we are at the front. Can you turn the regular there you go. Now the fog lights. Okay, finally the assistant find out what the fog lights are. So those are the fog lights. Turn it off, turn it on and off. There you go. You can see it has like the two nice switch. Now do the other fog lights. Off. Everything off. Cool. Oh, now the headlights. I forgot. And fog lights. And the other fog lights. Cool. So everything is LED. Cut them off. Nice. Thank you very much. I'm not trying to do longer video, but I want to show the inside. Also has LEDs all the way around on the floors. Up here, you can see everything has LEDs. I do have a gauge. It tells me how much voltage the battery still has. You can see even my glove box has LEDs. So I'm doing this to so I can turn the alternator off. But that's it for today. So hopefully, oh yeah, this one also has LEDs. Everything has LEDs. So I like it. Okay, and remember the hazards. Oh, that was the only thing. That was the only thing. When you had the lights off, this lights off, it will blink slow. But if you turn it on, it will blink faster. So look, they're off right now and it blinks slower. But if I turn the lights on, there you go. And it doesn't bother me. Honestly, it doesn't bother me to have the lights on, because when it's off, I can use the turn signal normal. See, normally it doesn't matter if its lights are on or off. It's only the hazards. But I mean, as long as the blinker works a little alright, I'm fine. And that was the way I find out, I mean, this can work. So hopefully you guys like the video. I also had the Volkswagen emblem on the door. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching.